The Fijian Elections Office will register voters based on the name on their birth certificate. That is in the law.
What if they want to use their maiden?
If you have any other names that you go by, you are at liberty to apply for free to get that on your birth certificate. Right? And any other changes, if you want, the FEO can facilitate it for you. We will deliver you your new birth certificate together with your voter card once it is ready. But as far as the law is concerned and the application of the law, the FEO will register voters based on their name on the birth certificate, because that is the only verifiable means of identifying the name of a person. In fact, you can have any name that you want, but for legal purposes, the name is the one that is on the record with the Ministry of Births and Deaths and Marriages.